Hi.
Hi.
Okay, we're actually at the backstage of Esplanade and waiting for our gig to start.
Yeah.
But it's taking a while, so we decided to why not just do an episode of Ratchet Duo. So this week, Yvonne is gonna try to teach me how to beatbox. And it's something that we've tried a few times before.
Yeah. But you do quite well.
Thanks.
So I don't think it'll be an issue. How about you show me what you know first, and then I know what else I can do.
Yeah, that's all.
That's pretty good. You just transfer of there and then you're ready to go on stage.
Oh really? Yeah.
There's
Okay.
nothing but to teach. That's all that I do actually.
No, you can teach me something like freaking complicated or something.
How about I teach you how to expand
Okay,
this thing?
Okay, come.
Okay, so you know. Right. Okay, so the thing about these three sounds is that it's actually very powerful because with three sounds you can do a lot of different things. You can do simple things like to more difficult things like yeah. So it's all three sounds.
Oh.
So today we will try to
Expand.
the potential of these three sounds that you have.
Will I finally be cool? Okay.
Oh, really?
Oh, shit.
I think, right?
Stop
No,
it.
not really, I'm just kidding. Okay, anyways. So firstly, right, you need to be able to mix and match the sounds, right, such that, right, whenever it pops out in your head, it can come out. So literally, you can just mix and match anything according to a tempo, and just put anything in. So it could be like.
Okay.
So just, why not, right?
Yes.
We will set a tempo,
Okay.
and then we'll just take turns to do.
Oh my god, this is so stressful.
Then it's your turn.
Oh!
Yeah, so it's like that, okay?
Okay. Oops.
Yeah, that's a little bit too much. Please save it for later.
I don't know why you must keep covering your mouth.
I'm trying to echo it, you know, like that. And there's like more. I'm just conscious about my mouth, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Why are you conscious about your mouth?
Because it's like.
Isn't that
Quite
quite
used to it.
why you? Okay, never mind. Since you like to cover so much, right, I can teach you like this something that is actually like you actually need to use your hand.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, it's the crab scratch. So crab scratch is like you must
Oh!
put an L shape here. You must put an L shape like that, right?
Okay.
So you must suck in, and then when you suck in, you must say like. Yeah. So, but with a very tiny hole, just a tiny hole with the mouth. So it's like.
Oh my god, I eat lots of this.
Yeah. Oh, different part of it, right, will show different sounds. Yeah. So.
Oh!
Yeah, but not too hard.
Oh my god!
Gentle.
I can do gentle.
Okay, you can alternate between and so yeah.
Wait, but do you at any point like are they all sucking? No, right?
It's all sucking.
Huh?
Yeah, you
How
cannot
can you suck like that?
you can
All
only
sucking.
suck
Like, without this, what is going on?
without this. So
Yeah.
it's like yeah.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh! Oh my god!
You can put it with the three sounds that you know. You try. 2, 3, go. Yeah. So let's summarize everything that you've learned, right, and just do a best set that you can do. If let's say you don't get it, you just continue, so the people won't realize it's a mistake.
Oh.
That's pretty good.
That's really
I feel very threatened.
Alright, thank you so much for watching us.
Yes, thank you so much.
Come to the
So much. She's really threatened. She says so much.
So much.
Okay, I'm very hungry. Let's go eat. Bye bye.
Bye. See ya.